Hey guys, and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be painting a couple of very whimsical and pastel butterflies and dragonflies. If you would like to join in and paint with me following step-by-step tutorial, a real-time version of this video is available for my channel members. So if you want to find out a little bit more about the membership, there is a link in the description box of this video. I did start with just using a kneaded eraser to lighten slightly my sketch and pick up the excess graphite. I did do my sketch earlier just on a regular printing paper and then trace it onto a watercolor paper. Sketch is available for download. It is on my website, so link is in the description box of this video. Just mixing all of my paints, and I do want, as I said, pastel paints, brownish, some pinkish and blue. I prewetted the entire paper and then just splattered first the brown that I've mixed in from sky blue, a little bit of soft pink, and also a little bit of natural yellow. Those are my three sets of watercolors: Earth, Sky, and Cozy second edition, so I'll be using those paints. For the second pink color, I've used same colors, but I've added a little bit of the deep pink into it. And for the third color, I have used some turquoise, also sky blue, and a little bit of the dark brown. And that's basically going to be all the colors I will be using. And after splattering, when I was happy with how my paint looked, I left it to dry completely and then moved on to doing the details to my butterflies. And as I said, I really do want them to be very soft and whimsical pastel, so I'm not using a lot of the paint. You can see that my paint and colors are very watered down, and just doing a very light wash on top of my butterflies. I also won't be doing a lot of the details to the butterflies. I will just leave them looking almost like they're not finished. For the body of the butterflies, I have used dark brown and soft brown mix, just painted on one side, rinsed my brush, and then moved it to the other side. Second butterfly I have painted in a pink, and just adding a little bit of the blue nearest to the body of my butterfly, and same thing, adding brown to the left side, and then just rinsing my brush and spreading it out also on the right side. First dragonfly is going to be blue. Of course, you can use any colors you like. You don't have to use same colors as I did. And I did forget to mention that I did not plan these butterflies and dragonfly to be one painting. I'm gonna be using them for the different project. So that's something that I will be leaving for next week. So make sure, if you want to check it out, make sure you subscribe to my channel and just hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified for the next video, as I said, where I will be using these butterflies. And of course, dragonflies. This one I will be painting in yellow, and I have picked up a little bit of the natural yellow, added it to the wings of my butterfly, and then the same mix I've used previously, that brown, to add a little bit more of the details. Second dragonfly, the bigger one, is going to be a little bit more green, and all the colors are soft. So I'm just adding a very light wash, rinsing my brush, and then just spreading that paint around. Also adding a little bit of the blue, quite simple, and brown for the body. This one is going to be pink, and I did have a little bit of the blue from the previous layer, from the first layer, when I was just splattering all around and adding paint randomly. I do have a little bit of the texture on that butterfly, and so I left it to stay visible. And for the last butterfly, I'm painting with pink, and I do want its wing to look like transparent. So I'm just gonna paint one layer after the other one dries. So those wings are now drying. While they're drying, I'm just adding details to the other butterflies. And you can see for the second wing, just going on top of the first one, looking like it's transparent. And the lowest one is also going to be the darkest. For that one, I've used a little bit more of the deep pink. Some details with brown. Again, some splatters. And also, I'm just adding a couple of more details here and there where my butterflies are fully bare. I'm just adding mostly to the center nearest to the body of the butterfly. And also some freckles to some of the butterflies. And a bit more of the details. And now with this, I will be finishing off this painting and in this video. And as I said, stay tuned. We will be using these butterflies for a different project. I hope you will like it. And if you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it, and comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. And there are, I don't know, over 400, 500 tutorials there now, so I'm sure you will find something for yourself. Keep in mind that the real-time version of this video is available for my channel members, and you can just find out a little bit more about that following the link in the description. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!